Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting adventure here on FM radio. We need to find the way back to Marvin. Oops. Oh, we found a knife! Marvin needs to show us something, but I'm not entirely too sure where to go. Ooh, is that a book? It's a red book. Great, we'll put that right there. It looks important. But I don't know what the significance is anymore. I want to make sure I don't want to miss anything. Oh, looks like we're missing a thing for this too. Okay. I think I've had enough looking around. Let's get ready to buzz off. And then we have the key for this, so yay! Let's get out of here. Oh my god, buzz off! Hey, we made it to the second floor up here. We found Marvin.
There you are. Come here. Take a look.
Yes! I knew she'd make it.
You know her?
Yeah. Name's Claire. I came into town with her.
You can get to that courtyard. Through the second floor. East side.
I'm on it. Thanks, Lieutenant.
Oh, Marvin, thank you. Let's put one of these down. Thank you. Interesting.
So Elliot was right.
Yeah, but the passage isn't open yet.
Okay, so he said on the east side. Second floor. What side is east? Okay. Let's find out. Oh, we should probably come back in the same way we came in. I mean, go out the same way we came in. Hey, was this here the whole time? Hang on, so this is the lion for sure. So the lion is going to be obviously the lion's head, the olive branch, and the bird. Oh, olive branch and the bird. I cannot believe this was up here the whole time. Huh, so funny. Well, we're at it. We might as well put it back into the little section so we can open up the underground portal thingamajigger. Huh, that's weird. I mean, kind of interesting more than anything. They have like distinct color differentiations. I wonder if specifically they're of different metals. Anyways, there's this other thing we have with us. It's an art object. That might have to do with the thing with the guy, the picture that we had. Let's go ahead and unlock this now. Let's go through. Oh! Our old watering hole. Oh. The watering hole? We never... Were you moving? Legit, all these holes are for me having to shoot you all over again. I swear. You have one arm left. Ugh. Hey, speaking of which, wasn't there a doorway over here? It was locked. No, we still don't have access to it. Whisker here is still no good. That's not good either. We might have to go back the same way we just came. It's the main office. I still need to go in there yet. Hehe, got you locked up, loser. It's the women's locker room. We don't have anything to get in there just yet. So we need to keep looking around. Hey, there might be. Don't have anything for that. Oops. Don't know that code just yet. Guide pamphlet. Pharmaceutical Giant Umbrella Corporation. Orphanage. Oh gosh. Not the children. There's... Oh, that would be probably... Let's go ahead and open this. We don't need this anymore. What is that sound? If that handle curls. Oh my gosh, it does. At least we got the scepter. Not too sure what to do with it though. Is there anything else we need in here? Weapons keycard locker. Yes! Article Redstone, the ruby that captivated Edward the Black Prince, the pearl that the Queen of the Nile milked dry, and the diamond that led the Queen to a guillotine. There's no end to the number of tales related to the appeal of jewels. The mysterious red stone is simply the latest to sparkle among them. Unlike those other jewels, this one's origin is unknown. It is said that once adorned a noble woman's jeweled box and was even dedicated to a wise king. This fall, the stone that has long been shrouded in legend will be on display during an auction. There are sure to be many eager enthusiasts there. But, dear reader, one would do well to approach with care. The devilry lies in beauty shadow and booty's shadow. This jewel has turned caring nobles who love their subjects into despots, more terrible than Caligula. I wonder who that is. We have tales to prove it. Seriously, it's precisely because these jewels are bathed in blood and that their luster stirs something in the hearts of people everywhere. Interesting. So at least we're done with the art room. We don't need to be in here anymore, that I know of. I like how the police department has their own section. So waiting room? Oh, I just came from here. Holy crap. It's really there. They just legit crashed. In the meantime, I'll take this. Let's go and combine this. Well, hello there.
Hey!
He was like, who's that? In the plane. I mean, the
Claire!
helicopter.
Hold on, I'll be right there.
Okay.
She looks like a porcelain doll with all the shininess on her. Uh-oh. You're not kidding.
Claire. It's so nice to see you.
I'm sure it is.
That helicopter just came out
Yeah.
of nowhere.
I'm in one piece.
Mm-hmm.
I'm guessing you don't have a key in one of those fancy pockets?
Unfortunately, no. But how are you doing?
Casual conversation.
You know, just surviving.
And she gets that too.
That's good.
Yeah.
Any luck with your brother?
No. Not yet.
Claire, don't lose hope. I'm sure we're gonna find him.
Oh.
Damn it. You know what that means?
Yeah. Dinner time.
Claire, I think you should go.
Don't worry about me, Leon. You take care of yourself.
Claire, you need to go. Now!
Yeah, stop staring at his dreamy eyes.
Okay. Let's get through this.
And tell him to grow out his hair so it could be cute with the hair covering his face. Hey there, everybody.
Marvin, I've got a situation here. I'm surrounded by zombies. Marvin, do you copy? Marvin! Damn it.
Thank you all for joining me. I want to go ahead and thank you all for taking the time to go ahead and watch my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and check out my Instagram and my Twitter, which is down in the description below. Also, the little tabs are up there in front. The Twitter and the Instagram for my tag names. And I hope you guys join me on the next one because this is so exciting.